All right, just a quick one. I just got this standalone shower unit from Home Depot. It's a luxury shower panel, but I just wanted to check it out. The box showed up in good shape. Nothing wrong with it. So, nothing wrong with the box, but I want to make sure this didn't get damaged or something. There you go. There you go. Packed pretty good. Alright. There's like cardboard shavings everywhere. That's annoying. Alright. You went crazy with the tape. Love when you go crazy with the tape. In this box, we got white gloves. This looks like your hand shower. Check that out. That's kind of cool. I don't know what this is. Oh, yeah, I guess you could switch the... Yeah, it's three clicks. But it's plastic, but really, who cares? Plastic won't rust or corrode. I don't care where you get or who made your bathroom stuff. It always corrodes. Even the high-end stuff always seems to corrode. Alright, it's in a some kind of fabric. Alright. Guess we'll just take it all out. There you go. Alright, nothing else in there. Foam, good quality foam in the top and bottom. Let's get this out of the way. Alright. I hate this old styrofoam. It gets everywhere. You got to vacuum your whole house after you open something up. But I already know what this is. This will be the top part. So I have one of these outside by the pool. And I just hooked a garden. Well, I didn't just hook it up. I had to do a bunch of fancy nonsense plumbing. But come on, man. Tie this in a knot. Cut that off. All right. So this will be the top part. Oh, something's loose in there. It's not a good sign. What is it? It's wires. This has LED lights in it. I didn't know that. Interesting. I might have to open this to get the, because I'm sure there's a hose or a tube, unless this whole thing just fills up with water, which doesn't make any sense. But all right, and here's the main shower unit thing. All right, this is up here. It's taped up. All right, this is annoying. Oh, that worked. All right, let's undress this thing. All right, let's get this tape off too. Tape one, tape two, and yeah, it's got all kinds of LED stuff going on here. All right. Oh, that's some kind of panel. All right, well, here you go. Body sprays, the different selectors. It's kind of cool. You can position the body sprays. It's hot, cold, and it should click. Clicks between the different settings. One thing I'm confused about, the hand shower's in there. It probably has a holder on the side here, which it does. So here's what goes to the top, but how? I'm gonna have to read the instructions, although I don't really see any. Oh, they're in the bag here. No, it's a piece of paper. Oh, here you go. Oh, you do. Wait. These instructions are pretty not great. Because how do you hook up the top spray? I guess I am going to have to take these screws off. But this will go here. Flipped over, of course. But check this out. There's all kinds of electric stuff in here. Why isn't this hooked up to anything? Alright, hot and cold. Oh, this will be the body spray. Okay. This is the hand shower. Then we got each one of these hoses. This will get one and this will get one. But I really don't feel like taking this thing all apart. I actually like this. The one I have outside, this is all open, so rain and everything gets in there. This will kind of protect the stuff in here, and I guess it would have to if these LED lights are here. I'm really interested in seeing what this display shows, so maybe I'll mess with it and I'll show you.